Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open duplicate tabs in Chrome using a quick keyboard shortcut. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate to any website you'd like to work with. This could be your favorite news site, a shopping page, or any other web page you need to duplicate. Now here's where the shortcut comes into play. Press Ctrl+L on your keyboard. This is a handy shortcut that instantly highlights the URL in your address bar at the top of the browser. You'll notice the entire web address becomes selected and ready for you to copy or modify. This keyboard combination is particularly useful because it saves you from manually clicking and selecting the URL with your mouse. Next, while the URL is still highlighted, press Alt+Enter on your keyboard. This is the key combination that does the magic. What this shortcut does is tell Chrome to open the currently highlighted URL in a brand new tab, effectively creating a duplicate of the page you're already viewing. This is incredibly useful when you need to compare information on the same page side by side, or when you want to work on multiple sections of a website simultaneously without losing your place. And just like that, Chrome will open a duplicate tab with the exact same web page. You'll see a new tab appear next to your original one, displaying the identical content. This method is much faster than right-clicking on the tab and selecting duplicate, or manually copying and pasting the URL into a new tab. It's a simple two-step process that can save you valuable time, especially if you frequently need to work with multiple instances of the same web page. And that's it. You've now learned how to quickly duplicate tabs in Chrome using just 2 keyboard shortcuts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.